Hi guys, in this video we'll be doing a quick bald cap method. So I started by adding a stocking cap to my client's head and went in with some Got2B holding spray and added some Got2B gel around the hairline and around the ears. Then I added some edge wraps to really get it to stick and blow dry. Then after that we cut out some ear holes and then we went in and we cut the cap as close to the hairline as possible. We got it right along the edge of the hairline and cleaned it up. Once you do that, then you're going to go in with your choice of foundation to match your shade to make it look like scalp. We did 2 to 3 coats of that, blow dried it, wiped around the edges with alcohol, and then we added some bold hold. We did 2 layers, and you're going to want to dry in between each layer. Once you get your glue to be to your liking, and then it's time to install the wig, and that is how you do a bald cap method. And I will show you a video on how to install the wig and pluck your part in the next video, but that is how you do a bald cap method.